Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank ET-3850. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to copy your document. Open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to copy face down. You need to make sure the document is positioned from the right side. There is an arrow on the right side. Then you close the scanner. Then from the screen, you select copy. Use the side arrow button to select copy. Then you select OK. You will see B and W is black and white, or you scroll to the side to color. Then scroll down one to one-sided. Select OK. We want to copy this document 1 to 2-sided. Use up arrow button to select 1 to 2-sided. Select OK. And this portrait. Then you select OK. Also scroll to the side as well. Copies. Use or minus to select the number. So it's currently showing us 1. Then you select OK. Or you can also type it up to 99. Once you type it, then you select OK. Then the next is you select this button to copy. So we are copying this document color. You also have option for you to select the density. If you want to control the density, then you scroll down, scroll to the side, scroll down to density, select density. You can adjust the preference as you prefer. So once you finish, then you select done. Then you select copies. Select OK. Then select this to start. So now this document is copying. Place page 2 on the scanner glass and start scanning. So open up the scanner glass, stick the second document that you want to scan face down, for example. Then close the scanner. Then you select, use the side arrow to select start scanning or select done if you finish. So select start scanning. So it's scanning the second page. So now copying in color. Printing complete. This is the document we copied. Double-sided in colored. If you want to copy using ADF, stick the document on the ADF and it will show you ADF. Then you scroll down, use the side arrow button. We want to copy this black and white, then select OK. Then scroll down. We want to copy it 1 to one side. Scroll up 1 to one side, select OK. Select done. Then you select this button to start. So the document, the information on the top will be copied. Here we go. This is the document we copied, black color. And this is the original one. So this is how to copy a document from this printer. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.